agriculture has always been the backbone of human civilization. But in today's fast-paced world, agribusiness is transforming into a dynamic field buzzing with innovation, technology, and untapped opportunities. While traditional farming remains essential, a new wave of entrepreneurs is redefining what it means to thrive in agriculture. If you're looking to break into the agri sector or simply searching for fresh, profitable business ideas, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 unique and profitable agribusiness ideas you've probably never heard of. Each one offers the potential for impressive returns and a chance to make a real impact in local and global food systems. Let's dive into the world of smart, sustainable, and lucrative agribusinesses. First up, let's talk about insect farming for protein production. It might sound unusual, but edible insects are rapidly gaining recognition as a sustainable superfood. As global demand for protein continues to rise, traditional livestock farming is coming under scrutiny for its environmental impact. Insects, such as crickets, mealworms, and black soldier fly larvae, offer a solution. They require significantly less land, water, and feed compared to cattle or poultry, and their production emits far fewer greenhouse gases. Entrepreneurs are now establishing insect farms to produce high-protein insect powders and snacks for human consumption, as well as feed for fish and poultry. The market for insect-based protein is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, especially as consumers seek eco-friendly alternatives. Setting up a modular insect farm can be done on a relatively small footprint, making it accessible even in urban areas. Whether you're selling to health-conscious consumers or supplying animal feed producers, insect farming is a forward-thinking business with serious profit potential. Our second idea takes us into the realm of plant health and precision agriculture. Imagine a business that uses drones and artificial intelligence to diagnose crop diseases before they spread. Precision agriculture is changing the way farmers monitor and manage their fields. By using drones equipped with multispectral cameras, entrepreneurs can scan large areas of farmland quickly and efficiently. These drones collect data that advanced algorithms analyze to detect early signs of disease, pest infestations, or nutrient deficiencies. With this information, farmers can act swiftly, applying targeted treatments only where needed, saving resources and increasing yields. Offering precision crop monitoring as a service allows you to partner with local growers, agri-cooperatives, and even government agencies. Not only does this business help farmers reduce their environmental impact, but it also positions you as a tech-savvy leader in the agri-space. With the rise of smart farming, the demand for data-driven solutions is only going to grow. Our third unique agribusiness idea is mushroom farming with a twist, specializing in exotic gourmet varieties. While button mushrooms are common in markets worldwide, there's a rising demand for rare and flavorful mushrooms like lion's mane, maitake, enoki, and pink oyster. These varieties fetch premium prices in restaurants, health food stores, and farmers markets due to their unique flavors, textures, and health benefits. Mushroom cultivation requires relatively low startup costs and can be done indoors, making it ideal for urban entrepreneurs or those with limited land. By focusing on organic methods and specialty varieties, you can carve out a niche market. Many consumers are seeking plant-based superfoods, and gourmet mushrooms offer medicinal properties, such as improving brain health and boosting immunity. Hosting mushroom growing workshops or selling DIY cultivation kits can further diversify your revenue streams. With the right marketing and quality control, exotic mushroom farming is a small-scale venture with big earning potential. Now, let's explore the world of aquaponics, a revolutionary technique that combines aquaculture and hydroponics in a closed-loop system. In aquaponics, fish and plants are grown together in a symbiotic environment. Fish waste provides organic nutrients for plant growth, and the plants, in turn, help purify the water for the fish. This sustainable approach uses up to 90% less water than traditional soil farming and can produce both vegetables and fish year-round. Setting up an aquaponics farm can be done in greenhouses, warehouses, or even backyard spaces. Entrepreneurs are capitalizing on this model to supply fresh, local, and pesticide-free produce, as well as fish to urban markets, restaurants, and grocery stores. With growing consumer demand for sustainable and locally produced food, Aquaponics offers multiple revenue streams and minimal environmental impact. You can even offer educational tours or workshops to schools and community groups, further increasing your business visibility. For our fifth and final idea, consider launching a value-added specialty food business focused on upcycling farm byproducts. Every year, tons of agricultural waste like fruit peels, vegetable trimmings, and imperfect produce are discarded. But what if you could turn these leftovers into delicious and marketable products? Innovative agri-entrepreneurs are now transforming surplus crops and byproducts into jams, sauces, snacks, and beverages. For example, you can create artisanal fruit preserves from misshapen or overripe fruits that would otherwise go to waste. Vegetable chips, pickles, or even fermented beverages like kombucha can be made from farm surplus. Not only does this business reduce food waste, but it also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers who value sustainability. By telling the story of how your products are helping the planet, you can set your brand apart and attract loyal customers. Collaborate with local farmers for a steady supply of raw materials and use creative packaging to showcase your commitment to reducing food waste. As we've seen, agribusiness is no longer limited to traditional farming. By embracing innovation, technology, and sustainability, you can tap into niches that are both unique and profitable. Whether you're interested in high-tech solutions like drone crop monitoring, sustainable practices like aquaponics, or value-added food production, these ideas offer a path to success in the modern agricultural landscape. To get started, research your local market to identify demand and potential partners. Stay informed about new technologies and consumer trends. Above all, be willing to adapt, experiment, and learn as you grow your agribusiness. The future of agriculture is bright, and there's never been a better time to invest your passion, creativity, and energy into building something remarkable. If you found inspiration in these 5 unique agribusiness ideas, don't forget to explore even more opportunities in the evolving world of smart agriculture. Your journey could not only be profitable, but also contribute to a healthier, more sustainable planet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the future of farming.